Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix Airalo application on your mobile device. If you're encountering problems with the Airalo application, then here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot the issue. The first thing to do is to ensure that your internet connection is connected for your device. Try switching between Wi-Fi or cellular data and ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi signal or a stable mobile data connection. Once you do, you might be able to fix your issue right there. But if that still doesn't work for you, then look for the latest update of Airalo application. Open up your Google Play Store or your App Store and then search for Airalo. Once you find the application in the search result, check if there is an update option available. If you see an update button, tap on it to download the latest version of Airalo on your mobile device. But if the application update button is not available, it means you have already installed the app's latest version on your device. Also ensure that you've allowed Airalo application to the necessary permission to function properly on your device. Also make sure to clear your app cache by simply going through your app drawer and pressing hold to the Airalo application and tapping on App Info. Once you get to the App Info page, tap on Storage and then tap on both Clear Cache and the Clear Data button at the bottom of the screen. Soon after you do that, open the Airalo app one more time and re-log into your account. This might be able to fix your problem right there. Try logging into your account or try testing the application if it functions properly. If nothing else works, go ahead and delete your Airalo app completely from your device and reinstall it again. Those were some of the fixes you could try if your Airalo application is not working on your Android device. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.